Kit streamlines the machine learning development workflow into easy-to-learn steps. Capture images, add annotations, upload images, develop models, download ML models, and run live. Users can utilize pre-configured scripts on our custom-designed user interface, Sensor Fusion. Step 1. Use the Capture Images function to output a series of images for training a new machine learning model. 2. Highlight and annotate the targeted area of each image. 3. Upload images and annotation files. 4. We will process and return machine learning inference files for you to download. 5. Delete and replace the 3 machine learning models with newly downloaded files. 6. Run and test the newly downloaded custom model. These models are optimized for TensorFlow Lite, increasing inference speed 3 to 5 times with the Coral TPU. In addition, our Sensor Fusion UI provides an easy way to switch between machine learning models with a single click. We designed the eXeL AI Kit as a foundation for continued sensor development. We are planning future integrations with robotic kits and other educational applications. For example, users can make custom models to track their favorite robot, such as the Sphero Bolt. The modularity of the kit also opens up potential to integrate future sensors, such as LiDAR. One can also explore both thermal and visual cameras combined with machine learning models for interesting applications such as security. For more complex setups using dual sensors, we recommend using 2 machine learning models and multiple Coral USB modules. As demonstrated, there are significant opportunities in AI and computer vision technology, starting with improving machine learning accessibility for students and learners of all ages. We are seeking both early adopters and pilot programs, as well as industry partners who would like to join our mission. Please help empower the developers of tomorrow, improve technology accessibility, and accelerate the pace of AI/ML innovation.